What's up with the YouTube? This your host Dog. I'm here with you with a video to inform you of a video that I will be uploading possibly this weekend. I'm in a 2013 International Prostar. I'm looking to upgrade the radio system in here. The radio that's in the vehicle is a Delphi radio. It was already factory set in here, I'm guessing. Had to make a little key set to get the radio out, which wasn't hard at all. I did it last night, so I got it kind of out. And the radio that I'm going to install is a Pioneer AVH 120 BT. I'm a big fan of Pioneer, so I did get this radio based off the fact that it is touchscreen, it's Bluetooth compatible, hands-free when you talk. I'm not sure exactly how it would perform when I'm driving in the truck, making a certain amount of noise, air getting inside the truck or whatever. I'm not sure exactly how it will perform, but as far as the radio, Bluetooth, that was more of the general idea of why I'm going to get this radio put in. When I did decide to change the radio out, I knew I did want to go with a touchscreen. And of course, most touchscreens are double D radios, so that I knew I was gonna have to do a little bit of manipulating to get this radio in. I went on the guy YouTube page to try to figure out how to hook this radio up. So guy got a video on YouTube where he took his radio out. He showed how to take a radio out, which in my truck, he had a 2008 International. I got a 2013. So our process was a little different. But he never did do an update video of him getting the wiring harness and putting the new radio in, because he said his truck was total. So I'm going to be putting in a full descriptive video of how to pull the radio out, putting the touchscreen radio in. I'm putting the links in the video, in the description box below, of where I got my wiring harness for this particular truck, because I was trying not to have to cut the wires on either side, but of course I will have to, seeing that this is the wiring harness for the Pioneer radio. You have to connect wires. You don't have a choice around that part. But you do need a wiring harness, because when you pull this radio out, this factory radio out, you'll see that International has all green wires. So it's almost impossible to find out which is the hot wire, ground wire, and all. So, you should just get a wiring harness, hook it up to the old connect, and then you can put your wires together and go from there. I'm gonna set my video out because I want to kind of show in detail, how the process goes, which wires go which way, how to hook it up to where the video will still play even when you are in motion. And that takes a little time, take a little tweaking here and there. I may not be able to actually show you me putting that wire together, but I would be able to tell you exactly which wire goes which place and how to hook it up so that you will get a very full operational system without having to settle for a little less. So I will be doing that part. The way you will get to watch this video kind of as quick as possible, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see the video when I do upload it. Now, this weekend when I get home, I go home every weekend, but this weekend when I go home, I have to insulate and hang some sheetrock in my mom's utility room, where her storage unit that she got in the backyard. So of course I'll be busy with that whenever I get home, but I'm gonna try to make sure that I get done with that before that evening, because I'm probably gonna have to make that video I'm gonna have to at least start on it that night. I'm gonna have to start on the video that night so I can make sure that I get that video done. That may carry on until the next day, but of course when I edit it, I put all of it together, you'll know what is what. I try to give you, as much information as I possibly can to give you a full itinerary of what to do. So all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel when you see this video, and just wait on the video to come out when I put it out. I'm hoping not to have it that long. Right now it's Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. So I should be back at the house. So it's not gonna take me no time to get back home. Now today Tuesday, right? They be tripping, man. Yeah, today Tuesday. This phone done died too. It's crazy. But yeah, today Tuesday. Yesterday I left out, it was Monday. I'm tripping, man. My time is always backwards. But yeah, once I get this up done, you know what I'm saying? Once I get it done, because I had to order the harness, so it should take a couple of days. I ordered the harness off BigRigStereo.com. I was unfamiliar with the website until I called around. I called International. They told me to call Pioneer. Pioneer told me to call Crushfield. Crushfield told me to go online to BigRigStereo.com. That's where I found it. I called a guy at Big Rig Stereo. He told me the exact wire harness to get, which is on, once you hit International, you go by Midways. It's that OSDIN ISO DIN harness. So he said it pretty much fit almost all of them, but I'm not sure of the year range of what it's gonna fit. So don't take my word for what he said or what I'm trying to give you. I do know it'll fit a 2013 International Prostar. As far as the 2008, 2009 and beyond or whatever, I don't know. But I will put the video out, so that'll be just that. So just be on the lookout for it. Like I say, subscribe to the channel, turn your notifications on. As soon as the video uploads and drops, you will be the first person, if you have your notifications on, to get that video. And I know that there's not videos online about hooking radios up or stereos or anything into big rigs. So I'm just gonna try to put one out that way. It'll be informative to whoever needs to watch the video. They want to upgrade, they want to change the radio out. I'm trying to make it as user friendly as possible. That way you won't have no problem hooking it up. Even if you are 100% amateur, you can be able to do this. Because I'm very familiar with hooking up radios in cars and trucks. Never have put one in a 18-wheeler, but seeing that they got the harness for it, it'll be pretty easy. As far as hooking up the video part to it, I have not done that before because I never had to utilize having video while I'm driving. But you know, I'm gonna do my research in between time until I get home, and I figure out how to do it, which shouldn't be hard at all. But if you buy these radios, touchscreens, to me personally, I would just advise you to go ahead and get the warranty on it. You know what I'm saying? Just being on the safe side. Now, I'm not telling you that something gonna go wrong in between this install, and I'm not telling you that there's not nothing gonna happen in between the install. But to save your money, you know what I'm saying, protect your investment, get you a warranty on it. I did not get a warranty on mine because I don't think I need one. But hey, I could be wrong. You need to make sure you get you one. That's what I would suggest overall. But just check out the video when I do upload it. You'll get a little hands-free information, man, and then, you know, you can use that to your ability, use it to your advantage, hook up your radio. You want to pay nobody to be doing it. You can hook it up yourself. Like I say, you can know nothing about hooking up a radio. The video that I will put out will be 100%. You will be able to hook up a radio after you watch the video. I'm going to make sure of it. Guaranteed. 100% my word. And once you do see it, you get yours hooked up, man, just share the video out. You know what I'm saying? People can use it, bro. That's just all I got for right now. Once we get home and we get situated and get ready to put it in, we'll be back with y'all to upload the video and go from there. So it'll be this weekend. We'll get to it. I give y'all some motherfucking games, save y'all some money, put y'all some shit in y'all pocket. And that radio, I got it from Walmart, so it was like $116. They got one for $89 too. But I got that one because that was the only one they had in the store. So I went on ahead and got about $116, I think, with taxes and all. So that'll be either $116 or $120 something with taxes and all. So just be on the lookout for the video, man. We'll get with y'all later.